All right, let's do this thing. So I'm feeling rich, and in reality, I'm not yet. Expensive. That's what the... Oh, actually, that's so strong. But I'm rich now. Today, we're going to find out what the richest flights are, because I'm falling in my chair. Because I just want to know, I can't afford any of these. And chances are, neither can you. So we're in this together. So these are going to be the top 10 flights. We've got anywhere from like $65,000 all the way down to a measly $14,000 just for a flight. So we're going to see what they include, because for that much, I'd want it to be a lot. So do I have any New Yorkers? I'm from New York. Gotta get that coffee. It's getting worse, I think. If you're in New York and you want to go to Singapore, for our business trips that we all have, $14,000, please. But let's really see what it comes with. It says, let's be fancy. Seats made of hand-stitched, luxurious leather that come with a headrest sculpted for comfort and back cushions that cradle your body. Wow. Maybe that is worth $14,000. It also includes sliding cabin doors, enclosed travelers in their own room. Oh, so you get a room. So it's like a rent an apartment. Love that. Each one comes with a dining table and a 23-inch LCD entertainment system with 1,800 titles. Then it comes with internet, noise-cancelling headphones, and mood lighting. Look. Actually, how long is that flight? So they say this flight is about 18-19 hours from New York to Singapore, so that's kind of expensive. Let's get really fancy. Next one. New York again, but to Tokyo. So we're going to Japan. $15,000, so $1,000 more, priority baggage and boarding, fast security, and access to disembarking the plane first. That's kind of expensive for that. Seats with door that can close for privacy, as well as closets for storage. Pajamas, slippers, warming pads, a dental kit, earplugs, an eye mask, and noise-cancelling headphones. Well, that's worth the extra $1,000, isn't it? Next one is LA to Melbourne, which is Australia. Again, $15,000. It includes a complimentary 20-minute massage at the airport lounge. Well, that's worth 15 grand, isn't it? Fully reclining 6-foot bed, sheepskin mattress. Food on board from top chef Neil Perry, including seared tuna, Moroccan eggplant, Calvaceous caviar, and snapper poached in garam masala. Next one. New York to Singapore, 20 grand. What do you get for 20 grand? Bar and lounge area on plane for first class and business class members only. 20 grand, I'd want membership. Do I not get that? And a 4-course meal provided, as well as breakfast in bed for overnight flights. Other than like a bed in your own room and like some massages, like what else do we get on these? New York to Hong Kong, 20,000, 36-inch wide seats that can lay down, like flat. That's pretty good. It's only 20 grand though. Socks, eye mask, toothpaste, mouthwash, earplugs, slippers, and noise-cancelling headphones. An array of Chinese cuisine. 600 thread count bed linen, pillow with calming mist. Well, that's new. All right, now we're getting a bit expensive. 27 grand. We're going from New York again, but to Beijing. You're escorted by staff members all the way to the boarding gate. Well, that's good, because I always get lost. 79-inch seats that fully recline and come with a partition for privacy. So wait, you don't even get your own room for $27,000? What a rip-off. All right, we're hitting 28,000 now. San Francisco to Abu Dhabi, 28,000. Leather seats that can lay down, a private minibar at each seat. Oh, that's dangerous, especially if it has snacks. 23-inch touchscreen entertainment system and a Middle Eastern infused a la carte menu. That's it. It's $28,000. All right, now we're getting real. Number 3. 28,000 from LA to Dubai. Okay. Seats lie flat, have an enclosed door and a minibar. Enclosed door means like your own room, right? Ooh, okay, onboard shower and spa for first class passengers only. Okay, hold on. 30 grand, you have to be first class, right? Because it's saying first class passengers only, but it doesn't say that you are first class. For 30 grand, I'd want to be first class. And a basket of snacks and skincare products for each customer. Oh, well, that's nice. But you know, now that I look at it, 30 grand, that's too cheap. I mean, let's just spend 43. We're gonna go from New York to Hong Kong. Why not? 43,000, let's see what that gets us. Valet parking at the airport and a personal assistant to help with check-in, security, and boarding. Seats that transform into a 78-inch long bed. Okay. Temperature regulating duvet and in-flight humidifiers, and a Michelin starred food, that's fancy, and a Marcus del Monego selected wine offered on board. I was gonna say, I don't know what a Marcus del Monego is, so I'm glad they cleared that up. You know when the words start getting really fancy, you're like, yes. Okay, let's see what number one is. At a measly $64,000. $64,000 for one flight. Where are we going? New York to Abu Dhabi. Oh my goodness. So, we start by being driven to the airport by a private chauffeur. That's a very expensive taxi, actually. You have 40 square foot seats that can transform into a queen size bed. 40 square foot seats, okay. That's quite good. Shower on board for first class passengers only. That would be nice. Imagine having a shower. But my fear is, you know how the toilets on a plane go really fast? Like you press it and you're like, is it working? You know? So hopefully the shower doesn't do that. And you also get food and drinks provided by well-renowned restaurant chain, I'm gonna say this wrong, Cipriani? What's Cipriani? Okay, so Cipriani is a restaurant, well, obviously. It's an Italian hotel and leisure company. Well, it must be good. Founded in 1931. So tell me guys, would you spend anywhere from $14,000 to $64,000 on one flight? Like if you had the money, like pretend money's not an issue, would you do it? I think I would. Oh well. But I think my favorite part is being able to have a shower and being able to lie down flat, because economy people like me sit and get very uncomfortable and you have to share with the peasants, but we're the peasants. Love that. Oh, and real quick, I think I'll be uploading every Thursday. So that'll be Wednesday in America and the UK, but Thursday Australian time. So see you then. Okay, bye.